Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my favorite budget servos for the Tamiya TT-02. And these servos would work great in a TT-01 or a smaller Tamiya RC kit as well. I will have links to all of these servos in the description below. And before we start, I want to say that I'm sharing the published specs for the servos. Your actual performance may vary based on your other electronic equipment. I'm sharing this list based on my first-hand experience with these servos in real kit builds. All the prices I'm sharing today is as of filming of this video here in the United States. Alright, let's not waste any time. Let me introduce them. We have the JX PDI 4409MG 9kg low-profile Coreless Metal Gear standard digital servo. We'll just call it the JX Servo for short. And you've probably noticed most of my recommendations here are low-profile servos. That's because the TT-02 chassis is quite cramped in the electronics bay. A standard size servo will work in any TT-02 variant, but I just prefer to have a little more room for wire management and airflow. This is especially true in a TT-02B or rally car where you plan on using the receiver box. Then you'll really have a tight squeeze. You can find this servo on Amazon currently for $14.99 and has the lowest maximum torque at 9 kg/cm or 128 ounce-inch. Its maximum operating speed is quite decent at 0.11 seconds. I consider anything below 0.10 seconds as fast, so this is just right above that. I've had zero issues with them, but I think it's best suited for a TT-02 touring car. Next we have the Tenkong RC, waterproof 12 kg servo, 180 degree metal gear high-speed digital servo. It can reach 12 kg/cm or 167 ounce-inch of torque, and has a maximum operating speed of 0.11 seconds. At $16.99, this is another budget servo under $20 for your TT-02 build. Next, we have my go-to servo for all-around performance. This is the SPT4412LV 12 kg digital servo. This servo can reach 12 kg/cm or 167 ounce-inch, and its maximum operating speed is 0.09 seconds. If you're looking into club racing with your TT-02 on a budget, this would be the servo to start with. At $24.99, this servo will give you a lot for your money. You can find this servo for less on Amazon or eBay if you're willing to wait for longer shipping times. My next choice is actually a line of 3 servos from Team Associated. I'm talking about the Reedy 0712MG, 1514MG, and the 2513MG servos. You can probably guess what these numbers mean. The first 2 numbers are the maximum torque, and the second 2 numbers are maximum operating speed. They're all standard size servos, and they cost $29.99, $32.99, and $31.99 respectively. For some reason, the 1514 is the most expensive. These servos would be my budget choices if I wanted to stay away from import brands. You know what you're getting with Reedy and the Team Associated US-based customer service. Finally, the last servo on my list is a hidden gem. This is a performance servo at a reasonable price, and it's the Power HD R12 High Performance Servo. This is the servo I put in my most recent TT-02 type-srx build. It has a maximum torque rating of 12 kg/cm or 167 ounce-inch. Its maximum operating speed is 0.06 seconds. This is the servo you want to put in your TT-02 if you're building a R, S, or D variant. You can buy 3 JX servos for the price of 1 R12, but I promise you it's worth it. Alright, so these are my picks for the best budget servos for any TT-02 build. It doesn't matter if you're building the TT-02D drift spec, the type-srx, FT quad track, or just a basic TT-02. You will find a servo within these in front of me. Again, let me know if you agree, disagree, or if I left out any servos you would recommend. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.